Hello and welcome back to Accidentally Country. Baby, it's cold outside, which means we need to start a fire. Now you can spend $5 per fire on a starter log, or you could start a fire for free with just some lint from your dryer and an empty roll of toilet paper. Now the key to any good fire is you need to start your fire with kindling. Now the good thing about kindling is it doesn't have to be fully seasoned, but it needs to be small enough to catch a burn quickly. One of the things that'll do is actually make your fire burn hotter. So I decided to make my own kindling. You can always buy it at the store in a bundle, but I actually got this small Kindle splitter that was about $40 on Amazon, and we're gonna split some kindling real quick. Now the smaller the kindling, the easier it's going to be to catch, so you want to make sure you got some smaller pieces. This took me just a few minutes to do, saved me $5. So for your fire starter, what you want to do is not put too much of this lint in there. If you pack it in, then there's not going to be airflow and it won't start as quickly. So as you can see here, there's definitely room for air to flow. And then once you put your kindling on, the trick is to make extra small pieces in the beginning. That'll help it catch a lot quicker as you build your fire. Now you do want to try to make some of the pieces elevated and make sure there's airflow that can flow through. That'll help your fire start quicker and burn brighter. And then once that catches, you can start adding the bigger pieces, and soon you'll have logs and a hot fire for your living room. There it is, a roaring fire in about 10 minutes. Every fire, you can save $5 by using this simple, easy trick to start a fire. Hope you enjoyed watching Accidentally Country. We'll see you next time.